PRT is the first-to-market choice for shock absorbers for one of the best-selling pickups on the national scene, the 2005 to 2022 Ford F-250. Uses shocks in the front and rear. The installation process is straightforward and requires only a few tools. Lift the truck. Remove the front wheels. Before removing the shock, support the axle using a jack. Remove the nut from the upper shock mount. On some models, the nut can be accessed from under the hood. On others, the access to the nut is blocked by the ABS modulator. You will have to access the nut through the wheel well. Remove the lower nut and bolt of the shock. Remove the shock from the truck. The new PRT shock unit has a precision piston rod that is chromed to ensure proper seal lubrication and resistance to impact and corrosion. The valving inside matches the original unit. The unit also includes new hardware, including the upper bushings and washers. PRT's twin tube design includes nitrogen gas charging to keep the shock and strut cooler and to extend its service life. The nitrogen charge eliminates aeration, which improves driving and handling performance. Install the shock onto the vehicle. Make sure to install the new bushings and washers on the upper stud. Insert the bolt in the lower mount and secure with the nut. Tighten the upper nut to 46 foot-pounds and tighten the lower bolt to 111 foot-pounds. Install the wheels. PRT, or Performance Ride Technology, shares its heritage with one of the largest manufacturers of shocks, struts, and complete strut assemblies in the world. PRT products are produced and tested under the strictest OE quality processes required by leading automakers in 5 modern and fully automated plants using the latest technology available. With nearly 30 years of expertise in ride control and suspension product manufacturing, conducting business in more than 135 countries worldwide, with a strong presence in OE and OES developments, PRT is a leading presence in the global aftermarket business. Quality, complete coverage, advanced features, and built-in profit potential for customers are synonymous with PRT. Performance Ride Technology is in our DNA.